Hi dear students, and welcome to our tutorial for today. Our today's tutorial we are going to teach you how to make the thermite experiment. For the thermite experiment you would require iron 3 oxide powder. You would need aluminium powder, the aluminium metal powder, okay, which is obviously the one which is grey in color. You need some magnesium powder, a strip of magnesium ribbon strip, blowtorch, tripod stand, a beaker with water and some sand. You can either dissolve it or it could be at the sink. The sand could be sinking at the bottom, that's completely fine. A beaker to mix all your ingredients or your compositions. As you can see, we have to take it into the ratio of iron oxide and aluminium together in the ratio of 80 by 30. So we have taken 8, let's say we have taken like around 8 grams of iron oxide. So you would need 3 grams of aluminium powder. Or in other words, I have taken 80 grams of iron oxide with 30 grams of aluminium powder and mixed them and created. However, you won't be able to see aluminium very easily over here as it has completely mixed up with the iron oxide. However, you will definitely see its reaction taking place once we see it. So the first step is to place some little amount of this little quantity of the iron oxide aluminium powder into a crucible, and then you place the crucible on the on your tripod stand, and then place a magnesium ribbon on the top with some sprinkles of magnesium powder. So I will set it up for you and show you how does it look like. Right, as you can see over here, this is a fumes cupboard, and in a fumes cupboard we have to carry out this experiment due to health and safety reasons and the fumes that's coming out, including the flames. So as you can see, I have just improvised it a bit by adding a tray in here, and the tray has sand, no other water in that. The tripod stand is as in its place, and so using a crucible I have used an evaporating dish along with the mixture on the top. So you can see there's a mixture. So there's a mixture of our iron oxide and aluminium in there. We have placed our magnesium ribbon in between like a tower, and I've just sprinkled around it. The grey color is the magnesium powder. Our next step is to light on the flame and see what happens. So as we can see, let me light it down and show it to you. As you could see, the experiment blew up. It's a very vigorous experiment, and as you can see, the shining thing is pure iron that we can see. I can show it to you more clearly in here that this is an example of a very shiny iron mold. So now this is the way that you can create your own iron using thermite experiment and observe the best. Thank you for watching.